Up next, the Ceramic Divers. It's an automatic with a rotating ceramic bezel and is water resistant to 1,000 feet. Huge Luminova, multi-layer dial, and a date magnifier. Moving on is the 46mm chronograph Odo. Based on our classic GX1, this watch features a 25 joule automatic chrono movement with a reconfigured multi-layer dial and a large Luminova indexes. And last but not least, the Chrono Pilot, a day-date automatic chronograph with a clean open dial, applied P51 Mustang, and a ceramic rotating bezel that will be available in high-grade titanium. To ensure your Live watch looks killer on your wrist, we use a custom silicone strap that is double injected, making it soft and durable. And for our leather straps, we have scoured for some of the finest Italian and French leather skins, while teaming up with the world's most skilled strap builders for a result that is simply outstanding.